Hi, this is Paul Day, and you're looking at the new worldcentralkitchen.org. This is the third version of their site that I've built, and this is the first version using React, which is my favorite JavaScript library. This is also a headless WordPress site. So the original site was just a standard WordPress theme. This is using WordPress only as the back end, not handling the front end. So it allowed me to use whatever technologies I wanted to use and build it in a completely custom way. And it also helps me tweak it for performance. So rather than being part of the templating for WordPress, it's its own thing, and it's pulling data from WordPress using the REST API. So I'll just scroll down here. So all the features here are hand built. There's no bootstrap on this site. And I did that because I really wanted to make sure it was lightweight and that there was nothing dragging the site down. It's a very fast performing site, as you can see. And I just wanted to make sure that the user had a really great experience. I also designed this site. I wanted to make sure that it was crisp and engaging and colorful and just a better experience than the old site. So speed and also just how the look and feel and the navigation is all part of that. And when you do a headless site, the big downside is you kind of have to build everything from scratch. Stuff that would normally come with WordPress, like search. I had to build this from scratch. But the outcome is you don't really have to deal with plugins, which sometimes break and have security issues, and also can be kind of slow. So that's kind of the upside. But yeah, the site is very fast, lots of images. But we do have a really good mobile version, which I think will improve all the analytics on the site because we had a pretty high mobile bounce rate before, and I think this is going to be much faster. All the images are sized specifically for mobile, and I just paid a lot of attention to how it performs for our mobile visitors. So even the menus here, and none of this is bootstrap. It was a really good learning experience. So as I mentioned before, I'm using Next.JS on the back end for server-side rendering, but I'm also using Node because I'm caching everything with Redis, just also for performance, but I'm using Node to cache everything and handle all the API requests to WordPress. And also, we're still using a lot of like the standard WordPress things like posts and pages, but there's custom fields like for projects here. There's all kinds of custom fields, like even the sliders on some of these pages. Like if I click through to Smart Roast, this is a slider. This is like the images here are being pulled from custom fields. So they can set up a slider basically on any page. But all of it's really mostly JavaScript, but I did have to do a little bit of PHP coding to handle things like featured images and also decaching, because when they make changes, they need to decache and like clear it out. So the functions.php file has a function to handle that, but mostly JavaScript. So that's it. That's worldcentralkitchen.org. It's a great organization. You should check it out. They do fantastic work in all countries around the world. So check it out, and thanks for watching.